Now here, over your plastic cup, you need to get these fins attached and keep it inside, and your wall hanging is gonna be ready. Cool, right? Keep on proceeding. Now let's see what are we up to. You have to just arrange it in this way, just roll it further and make the broomstick in this manner. This is gonna look yet pretty. Proceeding here, you have to get some incisions and cuts like this, arrange them into the form of a fish in this manner. This is gonna look amazing. You have to color them up in this way and this will just look damn pretty. Now here you have to get this one made. Make the watermelon, the dots and all, and you need to cover it up in this way and you can just rotate it and play with it. Now here you have to get the eggshell, get the pulp out, and over the shell you need to draw some winged expressions in this manner. This is gonna look pretty. Make the eyes as well and your light lamp is ready. Now here you have to get these ice cream sticks and then you need to color them up in this way. Make these patterns, make this slice. Further here you need to make the dots all over. This is yet cool.